Hiya! Welcome to the Garden Whisperer. I'm Ed, and this little guy you see here is CK, my trusted gardening helper. If you're new here, congratulations on starting your kitchen gardening journey. And if you're a seasoned gardener, you know there's always mulch to learn when it comes to gardening. Mulch? Get it? Okay, never mind. In this video, we're going to explore the top 10 plants you should grow in your kitchen garden to save money at the supermarket and enjoy fresh, delicious produce right from your own backyard. But before we dive in, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of our gardening tips and tricks. Let's get started with our top 10 plants for your kitchen garden. 10. Lettuce. At first glance, lettuce might seem like a bit of a snooze, but we're not talking about the wilted stuff you find at a salad bar. Oh, no, there's so much more to it than that. You'll find crisp romaine, delightfully tender mesclun, and so many other scrumptious varieties. Trust me, lettuce is far from boring and makes a versatile and colorful addition to your garden. Plus, it's ever so easy to grow. 9. Spring mix. Did you know it's so easy to grow these greens at home? You'll save soil much by growing this staple in your garden. 8. Herbs. Herbs are an aromatic addition to your garden, and they add a lovely pop of color too. Some popular choices include rosemary, chives, lavender, and mint. 7. Leeks. Not only do leeks taste smashing in soups and stews, but have you ever tried them grilled? Absolutely divine, I tell you. Their tall, elegant appearance also adds visual interest to your garden, making them an all-around brilliant choice. 6. Raspberries. Raspberries are a very delightful fruit to grow in your kitchen garden, perfect for jams, cocktails, desserts, or just enjoying fresh off the plant. 5. Strawberries. Strawberries are another sweet treat you can grow in your kitchen garden. They are not only delicious, but they also grow well in both containers and garden beds. And imagine indulging in them dipped in a luscious chocolate or perhaps sprinkling them atop a fresh salad. There's just so much you can do with these delightful gems. 4. Spinach. Spinach is a nutrient-rich leafy green that's not only healthy but also fast-growing. Enjoy it raw in salads or cooked in your favorite dishes. 3. Beets. Beets are a rooty-full addition to your kitchen garden, providing both vibrant roots and tasty greens that are packed with vitamins and minerals. And have you ever tried them pickled with a bit of spicy pepper for an extra kick? Absolutely smashing. A tangy treat that's sure to liven up any meal. 2. Turnips. Turnips are a versatile root vegetable that's easy to grow and store. Enjoy them raw, cooked, or baked in savory garlic butter. 1. Zucchini. This abundant summer squash is not only quick-growing and high-yielding but also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Fancy a healthy pasta alternative? Give zucchini noodles, or zoodles as some call them, a go. You'll find they are an absolutely delightful way to enjoy this splendid vegetable. So there you have it, our top 10 easy plants to get started with kitchen gardening today. With these plants in your garden, you'll not only save money at the supermarket but also enjoy fresh, delicious produce straight from your own backyard. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future gardening adventures. Want to get started? Take a look at the links in the description below. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What are your top kitchen garden plants? Are there any other easy-to-grow plants you'd recommend for beginners? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy growing and cheerio!